just picked up this 2016 X3 diesel with the N47 engine in it. The previous owner thought that it had a broken timing chain, so I started tearing into it, pulling off the valve cover to see if there were any broken rockers or anything like that. Before we continue though, the exterior is in great shape. It's the M Sport model with xenon headlights, and the body is pretty perfect, honestly. The only thing that I need to do is remove the old wrap here that's all cracking and bad, and there's a couple other spots like the mirrors and the windshield trim that has it as well. Other than that, it's great. I need to probably refinish these headlights so that they look nice and clear. But here's what I found in the engine. The piston exploded and it looks like Tom's teeth when he tries to eat Jerry as a sandwich. So not good, and it turns out I will be replacing this engine, not just replacing timing chains.